Institute of Chemical Technology was established on October 1, 1933 with the noble intention of advancing India's knowledge reserves in chemical science and technology. The institute has grown to become a premier university devoted to education, training, research, and industrial collaboration in various fields of chemical engineering, chemical technology, chemistry, pharmacy, and bioprocessing technology. The institute achieved the elite status and center of excellence in the State Assembly on April 20, 2012, is the singular distinction accorded to any institute in the entire country. The institute has a rich history of producing capable, competent, and socially aware engineers and entrepreneurs, making us extremely proud of their contribution to nation building. The field of chemical sciences, which originated from the field of industrial chemistry, has now spread its wings exploring emerging areas of biotechnology, nanosciences, health, medicinal sciences, and many more. The Nanomedicine Research Group at ICT has two major verticals. One works for bioprocessing and biopharmaceutical product development, cell line development, and upstream bioprocessing. The second works on 3D cell culture, 3D bioprinting, tissue engineering, nanomedicine, and green biotechnology for sustainable solutions. With the need of delivering the knowledge and skill development, Biosimilar Workshop was introduced as a platform to provide the practical skills and knowledge required to acquire a firm position in an industry. Under Biosimilar Workshops, we host programs which build the bridge between an individual and an industry with numerous opportunities of learning and interaction with experts and leaders in the field. Our group leaders, Dr. Ratnesh Jain and Dr. Prajakta Dandekar, lead the team in the key focus area on human capital building, skill development, and empowering budding entrepreneurs. Our journey with Biosimilar started in 2017 with only 20 participants, and now we have trained over 1,500 budding researchers. Our hands-on training program aims to establish a skill development platform for the development of human capital in the biopharmaceutical industry. The workshop has gained BIRAC, TechIP, USP, and most of the biopharmaceutical industries as valuable partners. We believe in leadership is action and impact, not position. Leadership Conclave hosts delegates and distinguished leaders from the Indian and global biopharmaceutical industry to discuss, debate, and provide valuable information. The Biopharma exhibition floor is open to all industrial and academic personnel. Exhibitors and sponsors represent relevant professional businesses and display their products and services. This offers the exhibiting company the opportunity to present to an audience of experts here. Our experience and expertise to smoothly run hands-on training and skill development programs is rewarded by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India through the prestigious DST STUTI program under the scheme of STUTI, Synergistic Training Program, utilizing the scientific and technological infrastructure to aim for more human resource building by skill development, women empowerment, and ultimately mapping India on the global map as the scientific hub. With these programs under DST STUTI, ICT aims to train over 1,500 students and young researchers to upskill them with industrial and instrumental knowledge and overall growth to the human potential of our country.
My appeal to all the students is to spread science awareness and also scientific thought process to your family, neighborhood, and each individual you interact. You give that scientific awareness to those individuals and make us truly Atmanirbhar.